Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I try to do the charging test on the iQOO 3 device by using the 50 watt charger. Yes friends, so this is a 50 watt charger which came along with the box with the iQOO 3 device. Let's see how much time the iQOO 3 takes to complete charge from 0 to 100%. That is what I'm going to do exactly testing on this phone after using I think more than 30 days of usage with this phone. So let's see friends what will be the charging speed, and this is a capsule type Type-C cable. As you can see, this is what I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration, and it's exactly the same adapter which got along with the box. And right now I'll try to record the battery percentage and temperatures during the time of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes and full charge. When the phone gets 50%, I'll try to write down the exact timing, how much time it took to charge. And meanwhile let me try to set up everything. So right now, as you can see friends, the charging has been started in the iQOO 3 device. So right now, even I did start the stopwatch as well, you can see exactly. And we are seeing the flash charge symbol as well, which says, as you can see, flash charge symbol, you can actually see that. So during this process, I'm not trying to use any kind of SIM card. There is no SIM card, there is no Wi-Fi connection, nothing. There is no live wallpaper or nothing. There is no background applications also running during this process of demonstration, as you can see exactly. So 3% is the current percentage of the battery level. Let's see how much time it actually takes to full charge and how much the battery percentage will be there after 15 minutes as well. And meanwhile, let's check the temperatures in the beginning. So let me turn off the screen. Right now temperature is of 34 degrees, as you can see. 34 degrees, not bad. So which is kind of okay, I would say. Even my room temperature is pretty low. My room temperature on the back side 33 degrees. My room temperature is 31 degrees, as you can see. It's pretty 31 degrees, no issues, as you can see. So 34 degrees in the beginning of continuing the test. Let's see after 15 minutes how much the battery percentage will reach and how much the temperatures also will reach after some time. As you can see friends, exactly close to 15 minutes of time, the iQOO 3 charged up to 42% of the battery, as you can see. Exactly around 15 minutes of time. Let's check the temperatures. Temperature is around 34.8, not bad. So 35.2. So 35.2 is the highest so far recorded. On the back side, 35.4. So all the temperatures were about close to 35 degrees. Let's write down the readings. So 42% at 35 degrees. So these are the temperatures and these are the battery life of this iQOO 3 after 15 minutes of exactly continuously charging this phone. So again I'll be back after close to 50% when the phone will actually get charged. That's what I'll try to record exactly the timing. As you can see friends, exactly we are getting close to exact 18 minutes and 18 minutes of time it took for the iQOO 3 device to charge the 50% of the charging. Not bad. So 18 minutes of time. So let's see, again I'll be back after 30 minutes. So then we can actually discuss how much the phone got charged in the next 30 minutes of time. As you can see friends, right now we're getting close to exactly 30 minutes of charging. So exactly 30 minutes we'll try to record what is the battery percentage it got charged. So 76%, as you can see friends, exactly 30 minutes, 76% the phone got charged. Not bad, 76%. And let's check the temperatures, how much the phone has got the temperatures. So right now the temperature is of 35.8 degrees, not bad, 35.8. 35.8 is the maximum temperature on the back side, 35.8 on the back side as well, as you can see. So overall, the 35 degrees is the average temperature which has been maintained during this process of demonstration. 35 degrees. Again, I'll be back after 45 minutes of continuously charging. Exactly after 45 minutes of time continuously charging the iQOO 3 device, let's check what is the battery percentage, as you can see. So if the phone got charged to 95% for the 45 minutes of time, as you can see friends clearly, it's not bad. So 45 minutes and 95%, and temperature also maintaining around kind of close to 33 and 34 degrees, as you can see, 33 degrees and 34, that's it, not much. So again I'll be back once the battery gets close to 99%. So when the battery is close to 99%, then we can actually see how much time it actually taking to complete charge the 100%. As you can see friends, right now clearly it's kind of close to 52 minutes of time the phone charged to 99%, the iQOO 3 device. So let's see how long the phone will be able to take a full charge. I just thought of start recording the video when the exact percentage, I think it got fully charged. That's good. So whenever the phone gets fully charged, it will try to display, as you can see, the screen will turn off. So that's fantastic. So 52 minutes of complete time, the iQOO 3 device took complete charge. 52 minutes, as you can see friends clearly. Not bad at all, 52 minutes of time. That's fantastic here. So these are the few statistics about this device. So 42% for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 76% not bad, and full charge 52 minutes. That's perfect. So temperature is also not increased very high. It's below 35 degrees only, close to 35 around, not much. That's kind of understandable, no issues. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick charging test on the iQOO 3 device after using more than 30 days of usage with this device. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to follow the playlist I did create for this phone, so that will be really helpful for you to decide whether to buy this phone right now or not. So in case if you want me to compare with other phones, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Bye.